Up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today I'm just gonna make a quick video because people have been sending me like good questions on my Instagram and in the comment section here, because people getting their Camaros. I appreciate people sending me like they getting their builds, where they're along in the process and all that stuff. And if there's anything I can do to help, I'd be sure to do that, man. And hopefully I have been doing that. So as of now, this video is to address like pre-check inspection or whatever. So whenever you get your Camaro and it's there, like what are some of the things you should look for? Some people that join my channel, part of my channel, are first-time Camaro owners, first time ever just getting like a 1LE, and they just want to know like what are some things to look out for. So that's what this video is for. It's for y'all people. And the people that already got y'all Camaro, I mean, y'all probably already went through this process, or the dealer already looked out for you on it. So just sit back and enjoy. So the first thing first, part of the pre-quality check inspection, I would say that you should all look out for is just, we're gonna start off with exterior. So as far as the exterior of the car that you get, be sure that there is no imperfections with the paint. Be sure that, which is one of the main common things that I'm about to bring up now, is that make sure that the dealer has removed like these spacers between your springs. I cannot say like on countless times where people take pictures, even some people don't even know this, assume the dealer already did this, and it's a sticker on the side of your window that you get to remove these spacers, and it has your car sitting up a little bit higher, like 2 inches higher than normal. And you won't even tell. It doesn't affect like the driving dynamics of the car, but it's just things that dealers often forget, and the only way you will know if you park next to like a car similar to yours. And maybe in this picture here, it's me, another 1LE, and this another guy, Scott, that I just met. He has the vivid orange 1LE, and we were just sitting back talking, and we realized that his car was sitting a little bit higher than most, and kind of find out he did have the spacers in there. So that's one thing you need to check out before you leave the dealership. Make sure they remove the spacers, because you know people are getting lazy this time of year, man, and they're not really looking out for you guys, even though I got the paperwork on the window. Outside of the exterior, make sure that they, you know, have your wicker bill if you got a 1LE. But I see most people that like not familiar with the 1LE package, the corners of their 1LE wicker bill is not fully complete. Sometimes you get them from the dealer and they're not complete, and they ship the car to you, and the dealer has to add those on because it's really like a stick-on piece, like double-sided 3M tape. If you guys didn't know that, it's not one full blade, and when you see the trunk, you'll realize that it's cut right there on the edge between the lines of the trunk. So that's something else to look out for. Other than that, on the exterior of the car, that's pretty much the things to look out for. Just make sure that your tires don't have any cracks in them, because I know you all stay in different parts, different regions of the state. I know some people order their Camaros in Canada and stuff, and it gets cold up there, and that may cause a delay because these cars get shipped with summer tires, and sometimes your car may get shipped with the summer tires on there and they be cracked. So be sure to check those out. Make sure there's no scratches or dents on your wheels from transportation, so the dealer can fix that before you take it home. Trust me, I understand you've been waiting a long way, you eager to sign on the bottom line and get your car home, but you need to make sure that your car is good. Yes, you got bumper to bumper warranty and all that stuff, but if you got tire and wheel package and all that stuff, then maybe you can be able to you know, push it off until a later date and just get the car home. But like that, now we're done with the exterior. Now we're gonna talk about the interior. So as far as the interior wise, you just doing the basic checks, make sure you got all the options that you have purchased on the car before. There's plenty of times when people say I ordered this package and it didn't come as is, different type of exterior like red seat belts or whatever, like carbon fiber, like shift knobs, or all type of major minor stuff. Well, it's minor to me, but it may not be minor to you all, and you all pay for that, so you want the dealer to fix that. So just check everything out, make sure everything is fine, make sure the heated and cool seats are working. If you have that option, I know some of these features are retrofitted, and they may tell you that wasn't able to install that due to the chip shortage. So just be sure to check that out. One Elite package is still on like constraints. I know that's one of those items are like on and off, but that's just something to look out for as I'm just running down through the list in my mind. Also, just make sure like everything is just seated properly. You of course have a break-in procedure on the car. I follow the 1LE track procedure because I got a 1LE car, and it's just a little bit more refined versus what the dealer tell you, oh, just do the regular maintenance. So that's that. Anything else I can think of is that check your performance gauge or temperature gauges. There has been some times where temperature gauges in your car is not working. In my 1LE package, it lets you know that your tires are cool, normal, hot. So they have those different tire temps that let me know where the tires is, how hard I can be on the car before I can really like drive aggressively with it. So that's something to check out. Also, as we got we talked about the exterior, the interior, it's just really just sitting back looking at the feel of the car, making sure there's not anything they haven't done, or there's any scratches or blemishes and stuff like that. So those are like the basic high level of like pre-inspection checks I would say that you should follow. And I'll drop it down in my comment section of the video, like things to look out for, so you all know. If I forgot to say it here, because as y'all know I'm driving, so it's kind of hard to like think of everything, but those are like the main key points I would say. Like if you're just getting your car, whether it's a ZL1, SS, 2SS, whatever, Camaro, these are the things that you should follow. And that's it. So if you guys like this video, I hope this answered your questions. I appreciate you guys for reaching out, asking me these questions. I'm finding the time to actually give you guys the video. I'm still in the moving in process, man. Like I don't see myself like kind of leaving the state until like I would say I'm shooting for mid-February, end of February. That's my plan. I'm just still waiting for a few things to come back to me. But I'm gonna give you guys a drum roll. So I did do a poll out there too, where people guess what state I was going to, and a few y'all got it wrong, but I see why y'all guessed the area. And I'm not mad at that, because those are some of the areas I want to go out to. But the state that I am going out to, which is going to be my new place of residency, is Arizona. So yes, your boy is going out there to Arizona, man. So if y'all that follow me, y'all from Arizona, be sure to hit me up in the comment section. Let me know. We can be able to link up, do videos, hang out. Y'all get to show me around the area and all that stuff. But that is where I'm going. I'm going to Arizona, and I'm gonna see how it's like. I have some few classmates that's over there, a few people I know that's in Arizona. So right now I'm just renting a place out there. I don't want to get a house just yet out there. I am keeping the house here, so I plan on using the house I have here to rent out. So you all gonna get a little bit more flexibility on the channel too, where I'm about to do property management, being able to rent it out, see how well it goes, and yeah. So that's where I'm at in the channel. I'm about to head back to the crib and get some more things to do, because I got a few more errands to run. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.